Hello guys, welcome to BrinaCreations. In today's video, I'll be taking you to one of the Panteka markets in Abuja, Nigeria. It is a thrift market where we have household items and then mostly household items and building materials. On this particular day, I came looking for center rug and then window blinds. Center rug for our living room and window blinds for restrooms. So come with me as I show you around all the things I got, and I'll talk a little bit about the market. So in this market, we have a whole lot of things going. We have from brand new items to fairly used items and to very ripped items, and it's all a matter of your choice and your budget. If you're looking to furnish your home on a budget, Panteka Market is one place to be, and this thrift market is one place to be. You can find literally everything that you need to furnish your house, from pots to plates to couches to rugs, curtains, window blinds, both new and old. Don't get me wrong, guys. Everything is not necessarily old. I have some hotels who offload some items once in a year, even when they are new or never used. We also have individuals who let when you want to like upgrade, call them, they come and pick up the stuff you have left in the house, and then for an amount, and then they will sell them to people who need them. So once in a while I come around to see what I can look at or see what I can get, and it has really been helpful to me. And this is one way to go if you're looking to be okay on a budget. You don't have to put pressure on yourself financially, and this is one way to go. So guys, let me know if you enjoyed this video. So I already selected a couple of items before I realized I wasn't videoing, and then I decided to show you guys what I have. So I have here 4 salad bowls, some spoons. We have about 10 spoons, 6 forks and then 6 teaspoons and 1 plastic one. And then everything, the spoons and fork and everything, cost 4,000 naira. These salad bowls, 4 of them cost 8,000 naira, and then these other mini saucers, 500 naira each. Yes guys, this is so good a deal. And yes, I'm going to wash this very well, disinfect and everything, and then you will never even know that this is how it was gotten. So yes, I buy new things when I have the opportunity to. I also buy fairly used when I have opportunity to. I made a video some time ago about how to budget, or should I say plan your finances well, and this is one way to go. Yes, and that's about it. All these I got for everything here. I think I got for 12,500 naira. And then I wanted a cotton. I eventually got a cotton. I wanted a blind, but I got a cotton for 9,000 naira for 2-piece. And this glass plate, I don't know, is it ceramic or glass? I think they are ceramic, but look how pretty they are. The designs are so detailed, and I mean, I'm in love with them. I can't wait to clean this all up and then get to start using them. Or even if I don't get to start using them, you can use it to decorate your kitchen or your dining area, and it looks really, really pretty. I cannot even imagine how much this will cost. I haven't priced. Maybe when I do, I'll let you guys know how it will cost. Each of these plates costs 1,000. Only 1,000 naira. Can you beat that? And then this cotton, 2 of them go for 9,000 naira. It's supposed to be 10,000 naira, and it's really clean and still good. I'm going to cut that into 2. Each of them is going to be cut into 2 and be used for 4 bathrooms. 3 bathrooms and 1 guest bathroom. I'm going to be showing you a video afterwards, and after everything is done, to let you guys know how it turns out, because everything looks so messy right now and everything looks so unkept. But that's how we roll. When you come to a market like this, it's just like you're going to buy okay, or thrift clothes and everything. You have to be patient, guys. You have to really calm down and get the best deals. You don't necessarily need to buy things that are worn out and scrapped. A couple of people do, shoe get size. You want to take your time depending on what your budget is, and then get what you deem fit. I just wanted you guys to see my fine face, and of course You see my water bottle that I'm always carrying up and down. I made a video on a balanced diet, and I talked about how I carry my water virtually everywhere I go. These ones, we don't already settle these ones, but now these new ones now, I mean these ones who I just carrying now, I be very problem. So I decided to buy a few more items, even if I thought I was almost done. And I decided to get these I think I didn't know what they were for. What did they take this one do? And then I realized they are for, spices and everything. Maybe if I'm making a video, I can put curry in one, thyme in one, and all of that, and then I'll have the aesthetics feeling without necessarily spending the aesthetics price, if you know what that means. Leave our 500. I'm not with you. No drag. We don't already settle these ones, right? Now this one's we don't say this one 500. This one's now. So if it's 5. Wait, we don't calculate this one before now. 12,000 for these ones. Okay, plus this one, so 12,500 for these ones. Then this one now 500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,005. They're okay like that. That's 17,000. So 17,000. Then this plate, you say 1,000. And then this is 6,000 plus 17,000. Yeah, calculator. Then this cotton, never talk how much you want. 23 plus the cotton. Let me open this one again, because you say 9,000 for the two. I'm taking a risk by even allowing you guys listen to the original audio in this video, and that's because I'm worried about copyright and everything else. So I wanted to just for you guys to hear, for those that may be doubting, for you to hear yourself, and that's how we roll. I intend to have one of these machines at home. The one I have is not as functional, so I'll just get them to sew this for me for about 1,000 or 2,000. I do just cut it in the middle and then sew it again, and then I'll just put the pipe here, and that's it, guys. With let's say 9,000 divided by 4. Okay, let's say 10,000 divided by 4. 2,500 for one curtain for one bathroom, and the curtain doesn't look so bad, does it? So anyway, this is how we roll, and this is me showing you guys how I got this bowl eventually for 2,000 naira. How does that feel, guys? This ceramic bowl with lid. I wish there was a bigger one, so that I could have different options when you have guests around. You dish your food. I have some by the way in the house, which I use when we have guests coming. We have one for rice, we have one for salad, meat, and everything. So this is like an addition to what we already have, and like I said, it's going to be well cleaned. I'll be making another video where I show you guys how I'm going to wash all of this up and then arrange them. Even if I don't get to use them, you can just add this to your shelf, or your kitchen shelf, or your dining shelf, and then it's going to bring that aesthetic looks into your home. Have you thought about that? So yes, don't go judging me if you intend to do that. So anyways, I just wanted to let you guys see how we do stuff on a budget. So it's not just about preaching, it's actually doing. So yeah, I hope you're able to learn a thing or two from this video to help you maximize your resources, to save some money in furnishing your home and even in the kitchen. I make videos on healthy living, great recipes, and then home management, also garden. I simply teach how to manage your resources. So I decided to get some more bowls. This is a mannequin for, you can use this for moi, you can use this to even bring out your ingredients when you're ready to cook or something like that. I just added all of this, and all of these I think for 400 naira. Yes, they're all for 400 naira. Imagine you're going to a store to buy this will cost at least 2,000 naira for each of them. Imagine how much I'm saving. Yes, that's how we roll here. So I eventually paid for all of these, and got everything together, and I'm really happy about the purchase. I got, all of this. By the time all this goes into my shelf now, I would have even forgotten the sweat, the heat that I had to endure being in this store trying to select all these items. I think everything took me about 1 hour or less than 1 hour. I spent less than 1 hour doing this. I eventually did not get the carpet that I wanted. I saw a carpet, but the guy was not communicating properly. Probably he didn't understand me. It was only one place I had the time because I had another appointment, so I needed to rush. So maybe if I had more time, I would have been able to more patient with the guy, or even called somebody to interpret for us because they speak Hausa and or maybe other languages, but I just classified them as Hausa. Anyways, I couldn't understand what the guy was saying, so I didn't end up getting the foot mat, but at least I have something extras that I got. So this is the guy trying to load it for me in my car, and that was it for this particular moment. When I make the video of washing and everything, I'm going to let you guys know. So I hope you learn one or two things from this video, guys. I'll be seeing you guys in my next one. Until then, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Till I see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe. My name is Oge, in case you are new here, and I make videos on healthy living, great recipes, and budgeting. I also garden, and I love to share. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Until then, stay safe. Bye.